In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sub-projects to new sections in Todoist. If you're organizing a lot of tasks and projects, keeping things tidy inside, Todoist can make a huge difference. Sometimes you set up a project and later realize that certain sub-projects or task groups really belong in a different section. Instead of recreating them from scratch, you can simply move them. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step, in a clear and simple way. First, open Todoist and navigate to the project that contains the sub-project or task group you want to move. Make sure you can clearly see the item you want to move on your screen. This could be an individual task, a group of tasks, or a sub-project, depending on how you've structured your setup. Now, move your mouse over that item and look for the three dots icon, usually located to the right side of the task or sub-project name. These three dots represent the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on the three dots. When you click it, a small menu will pop up with several options related to that specific item.